I can't believe that I'm saying this, but this is a 150 days of Copenhagen Grooming review video. Because I've checked out the beard growth kit by CPH Grooming for more than 150 days. And in this video, I want to give you my final results. So on day 1, this is how my beard used to look like. And then on day 60, it started to look like this. And in between day 1 and 60, I also let my beard grow out a little bit. And compared whether my hair was getting thicker and stronger too. Because if you compare day 38 with day 52, you can see a clear difference between me getting more hair follicles, my facial hair looking denser, thicker and also healthier. And that was the biggest personal insight that I saw after using the CPH grooming products for more than 60 days. Because even though there's a clear difference between day 1 and day 60, it isn't as significant, but you really start to notice the difference as you let your beard grow out a little bit. Because if you compare day 38 with day 52, you really see how big of a difference it made. So what happened between day 60 and day 150? Well, I was extremely dedicated because in the first 60 days, I went to Turkey and Ibiza and I still continue to use it. But then between day 60 and day 150, I went on one more holiday trip and that was to Budapest. And on day 92, this is what I had to say. So another CPH grooming update. So I've got my derma roller over here and I've got the beard serum over here. Currently I'm in Budapest. We've got a beautiful apartment here. But I'm still taking both of these items with me because I'm dedicated when it comes to this beard growth journey. And if you have a look at my beard growth, you see that it's a bit thick around this area and this area than it previously was. But I haven't actually seen any new hair growth. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated when it comes to this beard growth journey and hopefully we can see more results. So I did see a little bit of a difference, but nothing very significant compared to day 60. And that's the thing about when it comes to using a beard growth kit or any other journey. Sometimes you see a lot of change happening very quickly, but then you sometimes get a stagnant period where nothing happens. But this is the period where you still have to continue to use this, because if you do so, you'll start to see the growth again. Because if you compare day 92 with day 116, you can see that around my cheek area, the area that was targeting the most, started to get more prominent hair. Even though at this point the hair still wasn't completely filled up, but the hair that still existed did get a lot thicker. And on day 125, I received 2 new CPH grooming products that absolutely changed the game in my opinion when it comes to this beard growth journey. The first product was the beard/growth line dietary supplements called Sidekick. And when it comes to the Sidekick supplements, the moment I started to take them, I actually started to see that a lot of my facial hair instantly got a lot thicker and also looked a lot healthier. But what I don't think is that this is a substitution to the beard growth line, or that if you only take these supplements that you'll start to get magical results. I do however believe that when it comes to the Sidekick, it has a lot of the beneficial nutrients in it which will allow you to get thicker and healthier hair. But alongside with the beard growth kit, it can really accelerate your results, and that's something that I've noticed when it comes to this product. Another product that I received was the Activator Go. It's pretty much the same like the beard serum. The only difference is that it's a little bit smaller and in the format of a pen. And that's why it's called the Activator Go, because it's very easy to take with you when you're on the go. Now we are at day 150. So comparing my results from day 116, as you can see on the screen, to my facial hair now is ridiculous. Because if I come a little bit closer, you can really see that when it comes to my beard area, the hair over here has gone a lot thicker. And generally speaking, when it comes to my facial hair, it looks a lot healthier too. And the reason for this is that next to the normal beard growth kit that I'm using, when I started to use the Sidekick supplements, I genuinely felt like that it had a real contribution when it comes to my beard growth journey. Because on itself, I don't really think it does a lot, but if you combine it with the beard growth kit, from my experience, it can really accelerate your results. Because even whilst I compared my beard from day 38 to day 52, the results were really good. But if you compare it from day 38 to day 150 now, you can really see that the results are a lot better. Because even if you look on the right side, you still see that I've got some significant results. Because if you compare it with day 60, where I talked about my results not being very proficient, to now at day 150, you can really see that it made some significant difference. And this isn't even everything, because when I initially started with this beard growth journey, I used to have a tiny gap over here. And if you look on the screen right now, the gap literally disappeared. And even now, if I do come a little bit closer, you can really see that it got rid of this little gap over here. So as someone that already had a respectable amount of facial hair to begin with and only wanted to make it a little bit better, in my opinion, when it comes to Copenhagen Grooming, after 150 days, it really has done an amazing job. And thus, if you're someone that wants to check out the beard growth kit out for yourself, I will have it in the description and pinned comment, and this way, if you use the discount code junaid25, you'll get 25% of your purchase, and I hope this makes it a little bit more affordable. I genuinely hope this video was informative and useful, because I can't lie, it took me a very long time to make this, and I hope you genuinely appreciate it. And if you're someone that's also serious about your beard growth journey and really wants to see significant results, I would definitely recommend you to get the Sidekick supplements with it, because in my opinion, this has really accelerated my results in terms of the beard growth journey. Because I feel like that if I use the dietary supplements in the beginning whilst doing my beard growth journey, I feel like that my results would be a lot more significant and a lot quicker. But regardless, I hope you can learn from my beard growth journey. And if you have any sort of questions, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I genuinely appreciate your time, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye.